Welcome to Smart Robots Review.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Smart Robots Review, the show that reviews robotics and other fantastic tech from around the world. I'm your host Elias, and hopefully you enjoyed that montage of Cozmo showing off his new tread pack. As you can see here, it comes with 4 different colors, it's made by ANKI, and you can get it for about $14. If you haven't seen my Cozmo reviews, please check them out. In the meantime, let's take a closer look at this official Cozmo accessory. Alright, so here we have Mr. Cozmo. The treads just pull out real easy, just like that. You can lay him on inside while he waits. It's okay. Alright, let's pick a color for him. How about blue? Alright. Oh, you want to watch? There you go. There we go. Just pop in just like that. Look at that. He's all set. You're looking good there, buddy. Look at you. Yeah, it looks really good. The blue one. Alright, so let's, how about you? What color would you like? Alright, so, ooh. I'm getting an idea. How about red? Alright. Double trouble. That's right, buddy. Alright, and there's the red one. That looks good too. Dun dun dun. Yeah. Okay, yes. Absolutely. He approves. Right on, bud. And, of course, let's put them on the sides. We can go crazy with these. How about, we make you red and blue. Mix and match. And then make this guy green. And and yellow. Look at that. Accessorize, an easy way to tell them apart if you have more than one Cozmos. Yes, indeed. Oh. Not happy with me. I think you should put you down, right? Okay, there we go. Okay. Alright, so let's take a closer look at the treads. So if you can see this here, they have these little knobby things here that go on the inside, and the outside is identical to the old ones, the original ones. There you go. Yes. Alright. So yeah. So there you have it. Hopefully you enjoyed the show. The ANKI tread pack includes 4 colors. It fits really well. It's a good value at $14 in the US and makes your Cozmos stand out. So I'd love to hear from you. Please let me know what you thought of today's show. Leave your feedback, your comments below. Remember to subscribe. That really helps me out. Click the like button if you enjoyed the show. And until next time, thank you for watching Smart Robots Review.